Bravo for Calais. Nice turnout, huh?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I'm great to see so many people out. Finally, puts Calais on the map.
Right?
Why not?
We finally put Calais on the map, on the protest map, the big protest map. No, really, it's great to see such a large crowd for a small town.
Get hell out of the road.
Oh, yeah, all right. Whatever. Get out of the road. You get out of the road. No Folk King way. Cool. Calais is put on the map today. Great. I like that one. That is good. Yeah, yeah. You belong to the knitting club, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
Oh, hi, yeah.
I keep thinking I want to do something with my next winter, you know? I started doing paint by numbers, but I got bored with that. There's only so much wall space we have in our house, you know? So
Painting the walls with your fingers.
actually,
Reverting to your toddler.
yes, exactly. That's returning to my childhood.
Your wife's been saying that for years, right?
Yeah, you're right. She keeps telling me, grow up, will you grow up? It's like, no, never, never.
Why should I? Make me.
I like being a kid.
Keep on keeping on.
There you go. This will all be on YouTube.
Good.
So all you had to do is look up my name. You know, I couldn't do that if I tried. There we go. Do me the favor. Can you throw that over my head? I don't use my keys. Thank you. Thank you. Just Joseph Benedetto.
Joseph Benedetto.
Benedetto. That's how you look up my YouTube channel. This stuff is going to be on YouTube tonight.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah.